Hi everyone, welcome to the 10th video of this course, and in this video I will show you that how you can convert your script into a video using a text to video software. So as we now already have the script that we generated using the AI software, and again now we have the voiceover with us that we also generated using a text to speech software. And we use two software. The first one is Clipchamp and the second one is Wellset Labs. So now we have the script, we have the voiceover. Now the next step is to convert this script and the voiceover into the video. So for that, there are two options. The first one is you just go to the Clipchamp and then upload your voiceover that I have already uploaded here, and then just you can listen to the voiceover, and there is an option as stock images and stock videos, and then find a relevant stock videos in this software and attach it one by one with your voiceover. And once you have all these stock videos and images on your timeline, then you can just simply click on export and export that video. But this is a very time consuming process as you're going to choose the media, the stock videos and the stock image one by one based on your script and your voiceover. But what if I tell you that there is already a software that converts your script into a video automatically, and once you upload your voiceover over there, then that software automatically sync that voiceover with your video. So the process would be really simple, and then you can create multiple videos in a day. And obviously when you have more videos, that means that your channel growth rate will increase. So let me just quickly show you that which software that we are going to use. So the software that we are going to use for this is Pictree. So once you are here, just click on but before going straight to the Pictree software, let me show you the pricing. This is a paid software. By the way, they also offer a free trial. Let me show you that. I just go to the pricing section over here, and in the free trial you can create 3 videos each of 10 minutes long, but there is a problem that these videos would be having a watermark. That's a negative point, but you can just try those 3 videos and check out how the software is and whether you can use it for your niche. So let me just show you that how much they charge you for monthly and annually. So for monthly, this software charge $23 per month for 30 videos, each of 10 minutes long. And if you want more videos, like you want to go with 10 videos, like you want to go with 60 videos per month, then they charge $47 per month. But I guess 30 videos per month is more than enough for a new YouTuber that is working solidly. So you can grab this deal. And by the way, if you go to the annual plan, then they offer a 2 month free. Like they are now charging $19 per month. But I have talked to the Picture team, and now they are offering 40% discount. I will leave a link in the resource file that you can just click on and go to this software, and once you purchase the yearly plan, they will offer you a 40% off. But I don't know how long they are gonna offer the 40% off. So if they change the plan, I will update you in the resource file as well. I already have this software, so let me just quickly show you how the interface looks like once you purchase and or once you click on free trial and use this. Okay, so once you sign up, you will be having this interface. So this is the dashboard of Pictree, and now there are 4 options over here. If you already have the script, you need to choose this option. Click on proceed, and I will show you that what to do next. But if you want to convert an article and any article online, just paste the link over here and click on proceed, and the AI of Pictree will automatically process and convert that article into the video. And if you already have the video or any YouTube video, or you have a video in your computer and you want to edit that video or add the subtitles, then you can use this option over here. And the fourth option is to automatically combine different videos to one video. But in this video I will be showing you how you can convert the script into the video. So just click on the proceed button over here, and now let me quickly copy and paste the script. And now name this video as, like in my case it's a trial video, so let's say it's trial. Then click on proceed, and now you have a lot of templates over here. Like once you select this template, the subtitles would be added like this, and in this case like this. In this case you can just go through all these templates and choose any one of these. And by the way, you can change the template later on as well. So for now, let's say I want to go with this. So just click on select, and now it will ask you what should be the aspect ratio of your video. If you want to create a YouTube video, you need to go with 16 ratio 9. But if you want to create a YouTube shorts, then you need to create a 9 ratio 16 video. And for Facebook, it is usually 1 ratio 1. So as I'm going with YouTube long form videos, so I will be choosing 16 ratio 9. So just click on 16 ratio 9 and click on continue. And now let's wait for a few minutes and it will process all the script and convert it into video. I will be back soon. Okay, so after processing the script, the AI of Pictory just created the video for us. Now let's go through the media one by one. Like the first one is this, the second one is this, and you can just keep on moving and check out. And by the way, if you don't like any of the media out here, you can just change it from here. I will show you that how. But before that, let's just change the style of this caption. So you can just click on the caption over here. Now you can change the font style over here. Like at the moment it's Arial bold. I like the Arial bold, so let it be Arial bold. And now you can change the font size from here. Let's say I want to keep it on 26. And now if you want to make these fonts as bold, you can just click on that. And if you want to make all of the caption as small letter, just click on this one and it will be converted into small. But at the moment I don't want this, just click on this one again. And if you want to keep them at the center, just click on this. And now here we have the text color. Like I want the text color to be white, let's say, and I want the background to be yellow. So let's click on this, and now increase here. And from here you need to increase the shadow size, so just move it to the very right corner. Now white on yellow doesn't look good, so just change the text color over here like a black one. And now you can have a highlight color here as well. Let's say I want to have a highlight color of purple or blue. So this is our highlight color. And now you can choose the shadow of these text over here from this option. And from here you can change the text width, and here you can select it in the center. Or if you want to keep it at the bottom, then just click over here. And here you have the animation style, like at the entry point how should be the animation. Like in this case, let's say I don't want to have an animation at at the entry point and at the exit point. But if you want to have a typewriter animation, so just click on typewriter. And now let's say we increase the speed to the maximum, and at the exit I don't want to have any animation, so just click on none. And as I have changed the settings for only one caption, and to move it to the entire video, so just again click on the caption over here and then click on apply to all. And this will be applied to all of the scenes in the video. So now the caption option has been solved. And now the second part is, if you don't like any of the media over here, there is an option as visuals. So just click on visuals, and this one is talking about the capital of England, London. So just search over here London, and you can choose any of the media from here. Let's say I want to have this one, and then in order to move to the next scene, just click over here. And if you want to have an animation between the scenes, so there is an option, just click on add transition, and then you have this option like wipe out, wipe up, wipe down, wipe left. So let's have an animation as wipe right. Or if you don't want to have any animation, so just click on remove transition. So at the moment we don't have any transition. So in order to move to the next scene, just click this button over here. And the city is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, such as Big Ben. Now just click over here and search London, and you will be having all the London videos, the stock videos. And by the way, these are paid videos, but when you have the Pictree subscription, the watermark will be removed. So let's say I want to have this one in this transition. So just click on this, and it will be automatically placed here. And by the way, if like in this case, I want to separate the number one from the other part of this portion. So just go again to the story option over here and scroll down, and here you have the number one. So just move your cursor ahead of number one and click on split scene. So once you click on split screen, it will be splitted, and now just click on unlink scene. Now these two are the separate scenes. So for number one, let's say I want to have an animation of number one. So just click on this, and here you will be having the numbers. Like in my case, it's this one. This one looks great. And let's say I want that when this number appears, I don't want the caption below. So just click on here, hide text, and this number is removed. And now this is our title. So in order to increase its size, just click here and increase the size to 42, let's say, and then remove the colon over here. Move it at the center. And if you want to add a background, so you have a lot of background over here. Like in the go to the library section and type here background, and you can see that there are a lot of background over here. Let's say I want to have this one, and if you click on preview, you would be seeing the preview of this. Okay, that was the preview. So just again click here and change the scene if you don't like that. So let me just quickly edit the video, and I will be back. Okay, so that's how you can edit the video in Pictree. And let me just quickly show you that how you can add the voiceover. So just click on the audio button over here, and from here you can choose any of the music. So for now, let's say I don't want to have a music, just click on cross option over here. And if you want to search any music, just click on here and search that specific music, and you would be free to use that. Click on my upload for uploading the voiceover, and now from here just click this button, and then find your voiceover where you saved. So just click on that, and the audio will be automatically start uploading to Pictree. So now the voiceover is uploaded to Pictree. In order to sync the voiceover to the entire video, just click on entire video, And now the picture software is auto syncing our voiceover with the video, and now it is generating the preview. So let me just show you that how the video looks like.
As the capital of England, London is a bustling metropolis with plenty to see and do. The city is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, such as Big Ben and Buckingham Palace. London also has a rich history, which can be explored in its many museums and art galleries. If you're looking for things to do in London, here are our top 5 recommendations. Number 1. Trafalgar Square. Trafalgar Square is one of the most popular tourist destinations in London. The square is named after the Battle of Trafalgar, a British naval victory in the Napoleonic Wars. The square is home to Nelson's Column, a monument to Admiral Nelson, who died at the Battle of Trafalgar. The square is also home to several other monuments.
Okay, so this was the preview of this video. And by the way, if you don't want to have the caption in your videos, so now just go to the settings option over here, and first of all click on this icon, and once it is marked, just click on hide text, and now you can see that the text has been hidden from all the videos. Now your video is without any text or without any captions. So that's how you can create the videos using AI software. And if this video takes about 10 to 15 minutes, the other way around, it would take about 1 to 2 hours to edit such videos. So I hope you like this video. In the next video, I will show you that how you can upload the videos and optimize those videos.